In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view email activity in Postmark. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a complete trail of your emails, what was sent, what got delivered, who opened or clicked, and where issues like bounces or spam complaints might be happening. First, head to the Postmark login page at account.postmarkapp.com and sign in. Once you're in, you'll land on your account overview. Postmark organizes messages by servers, which act like folders for different apps, environments, or projects. From the list of servers, click the one you want to inspect. That will open the dashboard for that specific server. Inside the server, look for the Activity section in the navigation. Open it to view a live feed of recent email events. This feed is your central hub for visibility. You'll see messages that were sent, whether delivery succeeded or failed, and, if tracking is enabled for your messages, open and click events as they happen. You'll also see bounces and spam complaints, which are crucial for monitoring your sender reputation and diagnosing delivery issues. At the top of the activity page, use the search and filter options to zero in on what you need. You can search by recipient email address or subject line to find a specific message. Filters let you narrow the feed by tag or event type, so if you're only interested in bounces, opens, or deliveries, you can focus on exactly those events. Tags are especially helpful if you categorize your emails by purpose, like onboarding, receipts, or notifications. When you find a message you want to investigate, click it to open detailed information. Here, you'll see delivery confirmation, including timestamps that show when Postmark accepted the message and when the recipient's server reported delivery. If open or click tracking is enabled in your messages, you'll also see a timeline of those events, which helps you confirm engagement and troubleshoot reports like, "I never saw the email." For deeper technical insight, you can review the HTML or plain text content and the raw headers. Those headers can help you understand how the message was routed and verify things like authentication at a glance. Everything you're seeing in activity reflects recent emails processed by the selected server, giving you a reliable, moment-to-moment view of performance. To recap, sign in, pick the right server, open activity, filter or search to find what matters, and click into any message for complete delivery, engagement, and content details. That's all you need to confidently monitor your email activity in Postmark.